Hello everyone, welcome back to Arpita's Tech Corner. In my previous video, I have shared my experience how I have started fabric journey. In this video, I am going to explore what all the possible job roles can be explored from this Microsoft Fabric. I know there are some roles already mentioned by Microsoft, but there could be more. This is from my experience and my understanding. Okay, so let's proceed. First, what exactly is fabric? We all know fabric is one stop shop. That means within one cloud environment, we can get all the relevant tools which are related to these three main roles: data engineer, data analyst, and data scientist. We all know these are all the main data related roles. And no doubt about it that in the job market, we have all those roles. And Fabric is a very good option for these roles. But what else? In Microsoft documentation, we have seen that there is one role is there analytics engineer, and there is one certification that DP600. It's more related to this analytics engineer. In my point of view, this analytics engineer is a combination of data engineer and data analyst stuff. Okay, so some of the things you have to learn from this data engineering area as well as from the data analyst area. So analytics engineer is a pretty combination of these two roles. Next is reporting analyst. I found there are many job roles like reporting analyst. People have some idea that reporting analyst means only we are creating the reports. No, it's not like that. You should have experience like a data analyst, and you should have some experience like data engineers. At least you can load the data, okay, and then play around the data, and obviously the data analyst relevant experience you need for this reporting analyst role. So fabric is a another good option for this reporting analyst role also. Insight analyst is similar to this data analyst and reporting analyst. Okay, this business intelligence consultant, if someone has a good exposure in fabric, so and this role is business intelligence consultant, so definitely it will be a good combination of fabric and BI consultant roles. Similar way, BI analyst and the BI developer. Okay, because data analyst and some of the part from data engineering area are relevant to this BI developer role too. What else? All these roles are IT related. That means IT company related, or some of the product company have also this type of roles. But if any product company is there, is other than these IT roles, is there any other role which can be useful for this fabric? Yes. There are some product company, all those companies are related to this research area. Okay, so there are some roles like research scientist, statistician. Those two roles are very important roles for all the product company who are doing all the research type of business. Okay, so they can use fabric too because they need the data, they need to explore the data, they need to do some analysis, and fabric has very good option, like they can ingest the data to fabric in a file structure, or they can do something in the table structure also, and they can use the notebook. Using this notebook they can perform some Python scripting. Okay, as well as this because the Python, why I'm talking about the Python, because PySpark are related to this Python. Okay, if somebody has a experience in Python, they can very quickly understand this PySpark, then the SQL and all those things. Statistician, they can also use fabric because they also need the data which is available from Lakehouse, which is under Fabric, and they can use Notebook to use that Lakehouse. Okay, what else? These are all some research related roles. But is really business user is looking for this type of tools? Let's see that. Yes. Many people have some wrong concept that business user they are not doing any technical stuff. Okay, they are thinking okay business user they are completely depend on this IT people. No, there are many companies where some business user scientists they are also using technology. They are also using R scripting or different BI tools for their day-to-day job. They are not completely depends on the IT people. Okay, so they can also use this fabric. For example, they can do some ad hoc analysis. So inside Fabric, if one business user, if he wants to do some ad hoc analysis, so definitely he can use this report area, which is under the Power BI section. Maybe they don't want to install the Power BI desktop, but they want to access the data and do their own analysis in an ad hoc way. So definitely they can do that. They can target this lakehouse area or warehouse area or any table structure or any file format, and they can point directly to this report from this report area under the Power BI section, and they can do their own ad hoc analysis. So up to this level we have very all the relevant roles. What else we can explore? There is another role, this is Fabric Administrator. Why I'm talking about Fabric Administrator? Because in Fabric there is one admin portal, and there are many features are available. Someone has to monitor everything, and they have to do all the capacity setting. There are so many steps. If one developer is doing all this administrative job, then he can't do their development. So obviously we need someone to monitor that. Fabric Administrator is a very good option for this role. From this video, I hope you understand what all the roles are relevant to Microsoft Fabric, and if you learn Microsoft Fabric, what all the job option you can explore. There are different roles. It's not only for IT roles, it's including some business users too. So, business can also explore this Fabric tool. So, if you like this video, please share with your friend and your colleagues. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.